All right, we're back at the house today. It's Monday, start of week 2, and today's plan was to finish the family bathroom, and we had to, sorry for the shaking, I'm putting the ladder up, but we discovered a pipe, the drain pipe for the sink, that has come unglued and was just loose in the wall. So now we're going to have to spend most of the day fixing that, and it's not easy to get to. I'll turn the camera around and I'll show you where it is. The drain comes down. This is where it ties into the main drain. It goes over top of this galvanized pipe and then into this bulkhead. So we've got to trace it to where the elbow that was had come unglued, and trace it to there somewhere, figure out where that is, and then rehook it up so we don't have a drain leak. All right, I found where the pipe is loose, so I put the drain pipe back down through, and we'll dry fit it on so we can get the paneling and everything done in that bathroom. All right, it's on. All right, so we're trying to put a new faucet in the shower, and it looks like these might be glued. So instead of just swapping them out, I may have to go and get some new plumbing supplies to tie it all in. So we'll just have to wait and see. Alright, so I cut the main water off. Obviously this shut-off valve does not work. And what I'm going to do is probably cut it off down here and replace all that. Got that out. I'm going to cut below the shut-off valve since I've got the main water off, and put new ones in it. All right, in my truck again, getting ready to make yet another run to Lowe's to get the plumbing supplies. I feel like it's where I spend half my time is in the truck, running to Lowe's and Home Depot and places to get the supplies we need. We are behind now, according to my schedule. Hopefully we can catch that up later on. I had it on my schedule to be done with the bathroom on Monday. Today is Wednesday, and we're still working on it. hopefully I get this plumbing stuff and we can get everything hooked up and be finished with that bathroom today and get started on the kitchen. So that's the plan. Hopefully it goes well. All right, I just got that toilet pulled. We're gonna start working in here. I'm gonna clean this mess up, and then we'll start putting the beadboard on the walls. All right, I'm gonna do a quick walkthrough before I leave for today and just show you what we've gotten done so far this week. It's Thursday. We got one more day tomorrow for this week. And again, I'm just gonna turn the camera around and show you what we've done. All right, this is the master bathroom. We've got it painted. We gotta do some scraping of paint off the shower stall there, but we got it painted and trimmed out. White trim painted as well. I don't know how well you can see that. Come out here to this hallway and got some of this trim painted. It was gray. I got 2 coats on it. It'll probably take 1 more. It was this color, gray. Trim around the bathroom door, 2 coats on that. Took these closet doors off because we're going to paint those. They are right here. This is the bathroom door. It's got 2 coats of paint on this side. There's the closet door for the master bedroom. We're going to paint that as well. Come in here. Kitchen. We did get the cabinets sanded, uppers and lowers, drawers, cabinet doors. Those are all sanded. Did a lot of plumbing this week. Most of the week was spent doing that. This is the plumbing for the family bathroom. I put one little panel up to cover up part of the hole, and as I get scrap, I'll cover that one up too. But I had to replace all the plumbing from where that PVC meets the copper all the way down to the floor and into the faucet and everything. So that took several trips to Lowe's and a couple days. All right, the family bathroom. Let's get both lights on. It still needs cleaned. But we got the floor down. I need to put another piece of quarter round right there, ran out, so I have to get some more. But floors are done, walls are done. Got that light in, new exhaust fan, all painted. New faucet. It has an LED light, it's kind of cool. New shower head. The bathtub needs cleaned, but I put new faucet on and handles. New cabinet on the wall. But most of our week was spent in here so far, but it is finally done. So that's a good thing. All right, plan for tomorrow is to probably put another coat of paint on this white. We're gonna get our beadboard up in here. You can see where we've only painted halfway down with the yellow. Get our beadboard up in here and hopefully start on the floor. We gotta pull staples out of the floor because they had carpet over top of this and this, so we got to pull all those staples out. Put another coat on this door. Actually, hopefully this side's good and covered. We'll turn it over and paint the other side. I'd like to get these closet doors painted. There's 2 of them here. And even get those closet doors painted. Actually, tomorrow's a half a day because my son has a track meet, so may not get all of that done, but we're going to try. It's been an interesting almost 2 weeks now. A lot of things we didn't anticipate, which I mean is normal with remodeling or refreshing a house. And still got a lot of work to do, but I'm pretty satisfied with that bathroom. I think it looks good. Definitely looks better than it used to. Try to show you a picture before and after, and let you see the difference in the transformation. So that's all for today.